Hey everyone, welcome back. So for my first break of 2023 I decided to do something that's actually fun for me and hopefully also fun for you guys. And that's Rittenhouse's Marvel Universe 2011 trading cards. I already broke a box of these years ago and I already have a full base set. So this is basically just sketch hunting and chase card hunting. That's why I haven't broken this box up until now. I've had this since 2021, I think. I bought it in early 2021 before the whole Marvel card craze began, and I paid like 80 euros for it. I got it from a German seller. And so this is what the box looked like. Standard Rittenhouse Archives boxes. This one is box number 5011 out of 8000, so quite a limited set. And the base set is a little bit different than the other Marvel Universe trading card set, especially in comparison to the classic Marvel Universe card sets, because this doesn't have any character cards, so it's all about storylines. And the box has 24 packs with 5 cards per pack. I'm not gonna do a full recap. I'm gonna leave a link to the earlier or old video in the description or after the video, since there's already a full recap. So let's see what I can pull. And just to let you know, overall this is a quite uninteresting set just for breaking it, since you don't have any character cards. All the regular cards combine to form images out of 9 cards, so you have a nice image on a full binder page. But let's get into it. So here we have a card from Fall of the Mutants, World War Hulk, another Fall of the Mutants, and I think Secret Wars, and this is from Fear Itself. And as you can see, the base cards are quite uninteresting at first glance. They get interesting when you complete them. So here we have Thor on the Corvette saga. This is probably from Civil War. And here we have one of the chase cards, and that's Captain America by Felipe Massafera, MO2. It's neat. And here we have Shadowland and Fall of the Mutants base card. So this will probably not take too long. I'm not gonna dwell too much on the base cards. So more Shadowland, Secret Wars, and here we have one of the base card parallels, which are these acetate cards. Tough to complete. More random cards. More boring base cards. Age of Apocalypse, Dark Beast. And as you can see, a lot of the images on the cards are hard to make out when you don't have the pages complete. So here we have more relatively uninteresting base cards. Heroes Reborn, a nice Rob Liefeld cap. And when I see the sketch, I will try to pull it back so we can take a look at it later, but so far only base cards. And I will do a check if I was able to complete a second base set with this box, but to be honest, I'm expecting that. So more base. Then we have a Civil War sketch card, AD1, with artwork from Michael Turner. More uninteresting base cards. More base cards, another acetate parallel, Black Daredevil from Shadowland. And like I said, the recap will be quick, since I'm just gonna recap. Oh, I already saw the sketch, so whatever. So we have a Black Spider-Man by Alex Magno, it seems, if I'm reading it right. So that's a nice sketch, not too bad. Let's put it here. And more base cards. More uninteresting base cards. It's a little bit sad that Rittenhouse did so few chase cards with their set. Overall, I really like their sets, but they definitely lacking in terms of chase cards and parallel stuff. And that's especially noticeable in a set like this, where a lot of the cards are hard to make out. Another parallel. And more base cards. More random base cards. Oh, nice Wolverine and Jubilee. Nice artwork. Wolverine, Jubilee and Psylocke, also by Felipe Massafera. I would really like to get a full parallel set of these, but that's probably not gonna be possible for me. So here we have Fear Itself 4 sketch card by Stuart Immonen. On the back of the card is the colored version. Because I think it would be really cool if you have a full parallel set and you can have the acetate overlaying the regular base set, but like I said, that's gonna be a tough one to complete. Another acetate parallel. And so just to show you what I mean, so you could basically create sort of a three-dimensional illusion if you had the parallel set complete. But I think it's like 8 parallel cards per box. I think it was something like that. And the set has, I believe, 90 cards. So yeah, you can do the math. And I don't know what singles of the parallels go for. Probably not too much, but yeah, still tough to find. And here we have Sabretooth and Wild Child, I think, from Age of Apocalypse. Another parallel. Oh, and there's something neat here. So here we have a nice Beast chase card with artwork by David Finch, with a embossed silver on it. No numbering or nothing. And it's always tough to say how rare certain chase cards with these sets are, since there are no odds on the packs or boxes enclosed, and you're gonna have a tough time finding real reliable odds on the internet. I mean, I couldn't find any, although maybe my search wasn't thorough enough. Another parallel from Heroes Reborn, probably. So, final 3 packs. Let's see if we can find something neat again. Another sketch card from Secret Invasion number 7 with artwork from Lionel Yu. Really nice. Spiral holding Rogue hostage. The Thing from Heroes Reborn. Shadowland Iron Fist. Jessica Drew as the Skrull Queen. And the last pack. With one more little parallel with Wolverine fighting the Hulk. Seems like another Shadowland parallel, and that's basically it. So here's what I got out of the box. So I've assembled just one page, the Age of Apocalypse page, so you get a gist of what the individual pages of the set look like. I did get a full base set, all 90 cards. There were only 15 duplicate cards, which are here on the top. And yeah, if you want to see the full set, check out the recap for my older break. I'm showing the full set there. And I also did get this really nice Beast Chase card with artwork by David Finch, nice foiled. I did get 3 of the sketch cover cards with the colored covers on the back of the cards. I did get 2 of the original artwork cards from Felipe Mazafera, and I believe these were created for the set, but I might be wrong, to be honest. At first glance I even thought this was something done by Alex Ross, but it is not. And then I did get 8 of the acetate parallels. So now I've got 16. I'm only 74 shy of a full set. And the big hit, which is a really nice sketch of Spider-Man in his symbiote costume by Alex Magno or Masno. I'm not sure if this is meant to be in G or an S. But yeah, really neat, really happy with this sketch. This definitely makes the box worthwhile for me, even though I already have a full base set. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed what you saw, and thanks for watching. Maybe till next time. Bye bye.